So for today's video, i-flex ko lang yung mga binili ko. I just wanted to flex all the groceries that I bought in the market today. Since yesterday, I received something from Kuya Mike. And Kuya Mike, thank you so much. So this is it. I bought one of my important things. A vitamin for my hair. Shampoo, of course. Something for my baby Charles. Biscuits. Something for me and for Papa. Biscuits also. Very important for me. Coffee and sugar. This is the best. This is the one that shouldn't be out of list. Shouldn't be. Oh yes. Kasi this is one of my important needs in life. I need coffee every day. So I have also, of course, soy sauce for for seasoning, for use in the kitchen. So I also have cooking oil. Kasi yung egg namin, usually lahat ng recipes is oil is very in need. Basta yun na yun. So ito favorite ni Charles to. For all the bread, this is a bread po. We call it hopia. Yeah. 5 pesos lang naman isa. 2. Oh, some kitchen onions. That makes you cry. And what else? Oh yeah, I bought something. Grapes. I bought some grapes because I see na it's 150 per kilo. So I bought some. I will try if my son will eat grapes. Well, anyway, thank you again, Kuya Mike, for all of this. Thank you so much. Thank you.